Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful A-shape gown. So guys, let's dive into the video. So guys, I'm sure you must have seen this video about how to draft this particular pattern. So here I'll be using this straight skirt to form a H-shape pattern. So what I'm doing is that I'm taking my measurement and I'll be dividing my into two. So I'll be dividing my pattern paper into two. So guys, that's exactly what I'm doing here. So I'm taking the measurement and I'll be dividing it into two. I'm sorry for the background noises. I'm sorry, it's because I couldn't find a better place. So the next thing you want to do afterwards is just for you to slash it. So what you want to do is to slash it open. Please do the way I'm doing it. Then you slash it from that knee part and you just extend this on your fabric like so. So as you can see, this is the back fabric, and what you want to do is that for the back fabric I want it to have like a kind of a tail. So that's what I'm having, that extension. So I'm adding like around 16 inches extension. So I'll just cut out the zipper allowance like that, as if I want to slash that one open as well. Exactly just the way I'm doing it. I'll just slash it open as well, and I'll just spread it on my fabric like that. Don't forget, this fabric is actually folded into two. Yes, so this fabric is actually folded into two, and this is my back pattern of the gown. So what you want to do is that, don't forget that when we are drafting this particular pattern, we don't actually had any stitching allowance, and that is what I'm adding. My stitching allowance, the side allowance, I'm adding 2 inches for the side, half of an inch for the topper and for the upper part, and I'm not adding any dart allowance because I'm not going to put that for this particular style. So guys, that is what I'm just doing here, and I will be marking the length of the gown. I want it to be very long, so I'll be marking something around, I think maybe something around 50, I'm not sure, inches or so, and that is what I'll be using. And for the back, like I said, I want it to have the kind of a tail, you know, that kind of a tail. So that's why I'm adding this particular extension to it. So guys, that is what I'm doing here. So guys, afterwards you can see I'm making extension like so, and this is what we are having, as you can see. So here I'm just taking few inches so that I don't want that sharp edge, just few inches, like 2 inches up, and I'm just slanting into the middle. And the next thing I'll be doing is to cut out my fabric. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So that is what I'll be doing here, guys. So guys, that's all. And for the front, I actually use another method which I won't actually like be showing here. So the next thing I just do is just to fold my fabric into two like that. My fabric is on fold, and I'll be cutting out like that as well. Just be cutting it out, and that is all for our skirt part of the gown. So the next thing I'll be moving to is the upper part of the gown, and like I said earlier, I've already showed a video where I draft this particular monostrap princess bustier, and the next thing I'll be doing is to add my, like if you notice from the video I made earlier, it wasn't having any stitching allowance, it wasn't having any side allowance. So that's exactly what I'm trying to show here. I added it, I think I added like 4 inches to the both side because of it. And I'm sorry I lost my video, so I didn't actually show the parts where I glue my stay and I joined the fabric. I'm so sorry, but I just have to drop this video like that. And as you can see, my lining, I'm using my fabric as the lining, and I actually put stay on both sides. So the next thing I'll be doing is just to put like facing, making the right side facing each other, and I'll be making a stitch around, and I'll be turning it over, and I'll be doing that to the back pattern as well. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't show where I how I put my interface, I mean the hairstay and how I join it, but it's, I definitely have video on how to make bustier on my channel, so you can check it out. So this is it after everything. As you can see, it's looking nice, it's looking good, it's looking neat. So the next thing we want to do is just for us to join our skirt to the bustier. So what I'll be doing is just to be placing it, ensuring that I'm placing the right part to each other and I'm not making mistake of which one to place. And like I said earlier, this particular skirt will not be having that, so that's exactly what I'll be doing for all my pieces. So I'll be joining the upper part to the skirt. That's what I'll be doing. So guys, this is what I'm having after joining it. As you can see, everything is coming together. I've already put my zipper for the back, and the next thing is for me to join the shoulder together using this particular method, the way I'm just lining it up. After you line it up, you open it like so and use one of the side to cover the rest, and you make a stitch. And the next thing we'll be doing to join the sides of our the gown, and as well as put the sleeve anyhow you want it, if you want it to be sleeveless or you want to add sleeves to the mono strap. And this is it. So this is the final look guys. I added the trimmings to it to make it look beautiful. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.